Hello everyone, this is part 2 of the video where I show you how to use step-by-step how to use kubectl explain command to develop the code that you need when you don't have a good example online. So when I left off in part 1, we had discovered that under all of these objects is what we need: key, operator, and values, right? So let's do this. Let's grab this. We already have template and spec, so let's grab these and we're going to play almost a game here. So Command C to copy, and let's look at the draft YAML file that we had copied from the Kubernetes website for deployment. So you see there's spec, there's template, and there's spec again. So under this spec is what we have discovered so far, right? So Affinity, let's pretend that for a second that these are all these objects, which means it will not be in the end, and I'll show you how that works out. So object means colon and the next line and 2 spaces. So we keep doing that. We need a colon here and colon here. And colon here. And as you might remember, under there's key, operator, and values. Those are the keys that we need to fill in. So we have match expressions, colon again, and what we need is key. So in our case, it's foo, operator, as in an array basically, as long as matches one of them is the idea. Key, operator, and values. I think values or value. Values. Yeah. And as you can see, values is an array of strings. So we go to values here. Values, and that's an array. And all we need is one value of bar. That's it. That's all the matching we're going to do. Now this is not going to work, and I will show you why. And that's the whole point of this video, is to figure out, based on the error message, what we need to change. So here we are. Let's try to apply and see what error message we get. Okay, apply -fa.yaml. Okay, now it's telling me something is wrong. What is wrong? So it says for node selector, you see. Let's see, make sure we get the first one first. Invalid type for node selector terms. That's what you need to look for. It's telling me, hey, you give me a map. We're expecting an array, right? So let's look at that. This is how you read their message. You look at what is pointing to and what it is saying. It's pointing to node selectors, and it's saying, I got a map. Don't give me a map. I need an array. So let's look at that. No, sorry. Do that. Search for terms. That's where it got stuck. The terms. I give it an object, which is a map. Same thing. Colon and the next line. That's a map. That's an object. It's expecting an array. So that means I got to do this. Array means dash. And let's move this here, this, and let's see if that works. It may, or it may give me an error further down the line. So let's do that. Now it's complaining about match expression. You see, it got past the node selector term, which is what we was complaining about last time. But now it got past that. It's saying, hey, for match expressions, again, you give me a map. I need an array. So let's look at that. For match expression, one more time. Array. An array is actually just one array of objects, so you don't need to do that. Might actually work. So it's an array, but we only have one set of items. Let's see. Voila. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next lab.